See, oh, you know.
You never even start.
No.
That is too.
Oh gosh.
Hannah. Hannah. Oh,
Annabelle, how old are you? Annabelle, can you say hey to Grandpa? Say hey, Grandpa, because I'm going to send this to him.
Hi, Grandpa.
Grandpa said happy birthday to Annabelle. I'm going to show him what you were bouncing in.
We keep trying to make sure and give her time with it.
And I'm going to show him what you were sliding on.
I wanted something on that.
You did a couple of times, didn't you?
Ice cream.
Yum.